Not looking my best today. Must admit, I'm feeling a bit.
I left you in the casino last
Yes,
night.
you did leave me in the casino, didn't you? And and the trouble is, well, no, not the. It's not the trouble is. The thing is, you get into a good group of people, and everybody says this, that you get into a good group of people, and then the time flies, doesn't it? And you never think about being tired the next morning. And yeah, a few glasses of Merlot later.
You made it back to the cabin, so you weren't that bad.
Well, no, I didn't end up huddled in a corner somewhere, did I? So we managed to get up at 9 o'clock this morning. Went over to the buffet restaurant, had a bit of food, and then some fresh orange juice to remind my body what fresh fruit feels like, or at least something feels like that's healthy. And now we're going to go and have a walk. So I'll continue recording this and telling you my woes as we make our way to Rhodes Town. So I'll see you in a minute. And welcome to Rhodes Town from the P&O Azora. And the harbour is only a close, I'd say about 10-minute walk to the main town, which isn't too bad at all. But don't forget, the sun is quite draining, so make sure you take plenty of water with you. But there are plenty of bars and restaurants that you can take cover or shelter with, let's put it that way. As you exit the port and head towards Rhodes Town, on the right hand side there's a small beach. The sea was extremely warm and very inviting. Unfortunately, we hadn't brought any towels, but next time we go we will make sure that we do. This is the main entrance to the old Rhodes Town. There's a couple of entrances, but this is the one closest to the port. Eventually the sun got the better of us and we needed to stop for a drink. I asked for a beer. And this is what happens when I insult the Lisa. I asked for a beer.
Don't know why you're complaining.
There's a word that would describe the way I look right now. And I can't say it on YouTube because it will mean that kids can't watch this. Don't drink this irresponsibly. I'm not sure they even let me back on the cruise ship after drinking that lot.
Hold on.
Let's have a go at this. Bloody hell, Sadie. Very nice. Very, very nice. After that beer, this is pretty much how I felt all day. Now this is a great t-shirt shop, and I'm not just saying that because we bought some t-shirts. They were bought a lot of t-shirts, but this is where we bought the t-shirt I'm about to show you. If you want to get cooled off and refresh, this is a brilliant place. But so that's the one we bought Lisa, and then we have all the gents t-shirts there. And this fantastic gentleman here who will
Hello,
take care
everyone.
of your needs.
Absolutely.
And like all Brits, we went shopping. Yeah. Well, shall we walk up here and then we'll try and make our way back through and oh, look at that, that's nice. Look at that. That's lovely, isn't it? I'm getting being lured in by you again, aren't I? This is her phone off now. Lisa's filming me filming her. She's laden down with all of her purchases. She's a happy person. She spent money. But no, Lisa needs to shop, so we shopped. There are so many side streets and little winding roads, you can easily get lost, but it's a very interesting place to be. Most of Rhodestown is wheelchair and mobility scooter friendly, but just steer clear of some of the cobbled streets as they can be quite uneven. Okay, so Lisa's going to go and post her postcards, so if anybody is in Rhodestown and they need to post a couple of postcards back, this is where you will put the postcards in order to obviously get them to your loved ones. So we'll just this is where Lisa accidentally posts them in a bin. There we go. Yeah. Yep, we got the right one there, sweet. Right, let's go and have a walk around. If you look through this entrance, you can just make out the P&O Azora. And then a much needed drink. See the Lisa? See the red Lisa?
Am I really red?
You are cooking. You're cooking.
Feel it. Spent out.
You've spent all my
Spent
money.
out.
What money of yours did you actually spend?
All of it?
You joking?
No.
Oh dear. You're going to have to go back to selling your body on the street again.
I don't think I'll make you much money anymore.
I'm sure there's a few men with a bit of loose change.
That's not showing on your film.
I'm going to pay for that later on, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, I will stop recording and show you the bruises. Now that I had signed my death warrant, it was time to head back to the ship for a well-earned break.
A few souvenirs, John.
Souvenirs?
A few souvenirs.
And I'm carrying it.
Yep.
How
Keep
did that
going.
work?
Keep going.
This was our view from our balcony. Well, I hope it was our balcony. Anyway, this was the view. That evening, we went to see a show by Wild Atlantic called Saints and Scholars. This multi-talented Irish trio, the Wild Atlantic, was an evening of music and spoken word, chanting the Emerald Isle's great tradition of storytelling and song. We must admit, we really enjoyed this.
Which I did well, and the old triangle, when jingle, jangle, all along the banks of the Royal Canal.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching and take care.